Hello student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing study at home. Welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of social study. I am here with a new chapter from your textbook. Chapter 13 Early Humans. Again, Chapter 13 Early Humans. So, students, what's name of chapter is Early Humans. I am going to explain some hard words and some exercise. Okay. So, student, take out your CW copy and open your new page. Student, take out your CW copy and open your new page. So, student, a new page divided part of 2. A new page divide part 2. Your first part mention words and second part mention your meaning. Okay, understand? So let's start. Here some hard words from your chapter is given. Again, from your chapter is given. Let's discuss about them. So the first hard words is cave. So the first hard word is cave. Cave. The meaning is den. Okay, again, first hard word is cave. The meaning is den. Now, next hard word flash. Now, next hard word flash. Meaning is meat. Okay, and third number hard meaning is stone. Next hard word is stone. Meaning is red. Meaning is rock. Stone. The meaning is rock. Now next hard word hunt. Meaning is kill. Now next word hunt. The meaning is kill. Is that clear? Now next word meaning warm. It means it's. The meaning is it's. Again word warm. The meaning is heat. Next word affair. Next word affair. The meaning is scared. Okay, next word affair. The meaning is scared. Now next meaning dig. Now next meaning is dig. Meaning the meaning is dig up. Okay, is that clear? Now next meaning sir. Now next meaning is sir. The meaning is fine. Okay, students, now that clear? Yes. Now let's come to the question number 1. Choose the correct answer. So student, 4 options are given in each questions. You have to choose the correct one. Okay. So first choose the correct answer. Student, first question. Students, first question. Early humans at, it means early humans at dash. Option wild animals. Option B fruits and the roots of plants. Option C both A and B. Choose option 1 and option B. B is right. B option right now. Fruits and the roots of plants. Spelling of fruits: F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits, E-N-D, and T-H-E, the, R-O-O-T-H-T-S, roots, O-F, of. Is that clear, students? Now next question. Early humans moved from one place to another in search of dash. Early humans moved from one place moved Early humans moved from one place to another in search of dash. Option. Students, option A, food, B, money, C, clothes. So choose one option and write A. Right now, food. Spelling of food: F-O-O-D, food. Now third number, early humans. Early humans row dash. Option: cloths made of cotton, B, leaves and animals skin. Option C, the roots of plants. Choose the correct option. Only one is right option. Okay, students. Option B, leaves and animals skin. Spelling of skin: S-K-I-N, S-K-I-N, skin. Leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Very good. Now next question. Early humans used fire dash. Option A, to kill animals. Option B, to call animals. Option C, to drive away animals. Right answer. Right, choose options. Option B, to option A, to kill animals. To kill animals. Okay. Now come to the point. Next, second number. Second number, filling the blanks with words given in the box. Filling the blanks with words given in the box. First number. Now first number, early humans lived in dash. Students, early humans lived in dash, cave. Spelling of cave: C-A-V-E-S, caves. Okay. Now next question. Early humans made tools out of dash. Early humans made tools out of stone. Spelling of stone: S-T-O-N-E. Okay. Now next, third number. Third one, early humans traveled on to dash to get from one place to another. Again your question. Early humans traveled on dash to get from one place to another. Okay. Fill in food. Spelling of food: F-O-O-T, food. Now next one, early humans were able to cook when they learned to use dash. Again your question. Early humans were able to cook when they learned to use fire. Spelling of fire: F-I-R-E, fire. Now next exercise number 3. Answer the following questions. First questions. Where did early humans live? How were their homes different from our today? Answer. Early humans lived on trees or in caves. In that time, early humans' homes were caves, but nowadays our homes are mud house, huts and flats. Is that clear, students? Now next question. For what did early humans use stone tools? Answer. early humans used stone tools for hunting. Now next question. Again you read question number second. For what did early humans use stone tools? Now answer. Early humans used stone tools for hunting. Is that clear, student? Now next question. Third. What did early humans eat? What did early humans eat? How and why did that change over time? Answer. Early humans ate fruits and roots of plants. After long time early humans used fire to cook food and they changed over. Again, early humans ate fruits and roots of plants. After long time, early humans ate fruits and roots of plants. After long time, early humans used fire to cook food and they changed over. Is that clear, student? Now next question, question number 4 and last question. What did early humans wear? What we wear today? Answer. Early humans wear leaves and animals' skin, but nowadays we wear clothes. Okay. So you have to this chapter com- so you have to complete chapter and do not forget to do homework and assessment given during your live classes. Okay, thank you student. Bye and take care.